Welcome to everyone. In this video, we will see real example of HTTP request and response. In your browser, navigate to google.com. In this page, right click anywhere, then click inspect. See here in bottom, we have this window. In this window, navigate to network tab. In this network, click this fetch or etc tab. Now, let's search anything in this Google ASP.NET Core. See here something is happening. We have more requests here. Just click any one of them. See here in headers we have request URL. This is the URL we are using here. Method request method is get method. Status code 200 is coming from the server. 200 means everything is okay. Then we have remote address refer policy. Here we have response headers, then we have request headers too. In payload tab, we have query string parameters. Here we are sending some data in the query string in get request. Click on view source. Here we have the actual data that we are sending from client to the server. Click this response tab. Here we have the actual response of the particular request. This data is sent by the web server as a response. I hope now you understood. Thanks to everyone for watching this video.